Hi, this is Joanne with Broadcast Sunny, and I am doing a review of the l.ist app, which is actually l.ist app that I got on the Google Play Store. I've been using this l.ist app for a couple of weeks now, and it's not bad. I would like to see some improvements, but it really was what I was looking for. I wanted a list app that allowed me to create several lists that I could compartmentalize my life a little bit. I wanted to separate my business life or business list from my home list, and also have a couple of lists for, say, like groceries and different store, home improvement store lists and stuff like that. Anyway, so let's get started. So up at the top, you have this palette on the right-hand corner. When you click on it, a bunch of colors come up. You can change the background color of the app. At first, I thought this was fantastic. I went into one of my lists and I changed the color, and I thought, this is great. I can do all my business apps in the same color, but as you can see, no, it just changes the background color of the whole app, which I was a little bit disappointed, but not the end of the world. The $sign next to the palette app is if you would like to give a donation to the app. No, I am not promoting this. No, I do not know the users. No, I was not asked to make this video. I just like this app, so I thought I'd share. So one of the problems with the apps, as you can see, is at the bottom you don't see any buttons. I don't know if this is my phone or their app or what, but I click on the bottom right hand corner and I get, it cancels out. Anywhere else, if I click anywhere else, oh, it did. That's bizarre. Okay, so let me start on create a new list. When you first go into the app, this bottom button with the circle with the cross in it will show up so you can make your first list. I obviously have lists, but I'm going to click on it and make a new list today for you. So I type in the title, new list, and then I press on the item list. Item 1 and item 2. I'll even do an item 3. Okay, and that's pretty much it. And then if you click on the arrow to return, you go to the next line. I don't know. All right, so I have 3 items on the list. What's nice about this app is I can click on any of these and I can edit it. I can edit the wording or I can delete it. That X on the side deletes it, or there's no, when you click on it, there's nothing to do with if you click on it, then you have to click I want to edit it, and then you have to say yes, I really do want to edit it. It's just you click on it, you edit it, and do whatever you want, which is nice. And as you can see, it's at the bottom of my list here. Now, basically the way a list works is you click on it and it goes to the bottom. So you can see what you have done and what you haven't done, which is a nice feature too. It doesn't delete it. The only way it deletes it is if you choose to delete it. So when I go into groceries, okay, I already did buy the raisins and cereal. That's nice. Now to delete a list, you see up at the top next to the palette, a garbage can appeared. You can click on that. And again, here the buttons are missing. If you go a little bit right of center, it's a cancel. But if you go to the right-hand corner, it deletes it and it's gone. So that's a feature you got to be careful. Like I said, it could be my phone. I don't know. So the pros, well, it's simplicity. It's simple to use. There's no real learning curve, no complicated data to put in, nothing like that. And they're just lists, and everything's right there for you. It's exactly what I wanted, which was a bunch of multiple lists. So I, like I said, compartmentalize my life. The cons. I'm not crazy about the color schemes. What happened to plain old black on white or white on black? I don't care which. These colors seem a bit obnoxious or even childish to me. I feel like it's list for my kids' coloring box. Anyway, that one's not too bad. Anyway, that's a minor thing. I just go in it for the list at this point. I kind of wish there was a feature where you could put on a date of when it was due, but that's not the end all. Like I said, I also like the simplicity, so they kind of cancel each other out. And overall, I find the pros outweigh the cons, and it's free, which is beautiful, and no obnoxious advertising, so I'm impressed with that as well. So I'm keeping it for the time being. I hope this has helped you, and if you like this video, please share it. You can like it, and please subscribe. Thank you very much.